you can export and import the featured data in Shapefiles format. The export function sends the featured data from your app to your device or iCloud storage. The import function gets the data from your device or iCloud storage to your app. How to move data between your app and your PC will be discussed in the next video. Let's open the MyPark job. To export the features in the active job to Shapefiles, tap the main menu icon, select Job, then select Export, Export Shapefiles. If you're using iCMTGIS2 or iGPS GIS2, you would select Shapefiles from the main menu, and then select Export. Select one or more topic layers to export. We will export all the featured topics to Shapefiles. Each featured topic will be exported to a separate set of shapefiles. Each set of shapefiles will adopt the name of the corresponding featured topic. As there is a limit of 10 characters in the field name for the DBF file, if an attribute name exceeds 10 characters, it will be truncated. iCMTGIS 3 and iCMTGIS Pro also provide the option to export the shapefiles for a mapping job to an individual folder for better data organization. Mark the Group in So-and-So checkbox if you wish to have all the shapefiles in the current job exported to one single folder named after the job file. Data will be exported in the working coordinate system. You have seen how you can add features to a job by using GPS to record points, lines and areas. I have also shown you how to create new features by digitizing points, lines and areas. Yet another way to add features to a job is to import shapefiles that contain these features. Each set of shapefiles consists of several files. Make sure all of the associated files with file name extensions SHP, SHX, DBF, and PRJ are present in the Documents folder for your app. If iCloud is activated for job files, then the app will look for the shapefiles in iCloud storage. To import shapefiles, first open the desired job file, or create a new job file. Let's create a new job and import the shapefiles that contain the data in the MyPark job. Choose Job from the main menu, select Import, and then select Import Shapefiles. If you're using iCMTGIS2 or iGPS GIS2, select Shapefiles from the main menu, and then select Import. The app will display the available shapefiles. I will select my 3 shapefiles, and then tap the OK button. If the app prompts you for coordinate system information, then select or enter the datum, the coordinate system, and the distance unit, in which the data was saved in the shapefile format, and then tap the OK button. If the selected datum and coordinate system do not match those in the shapefiles, the data may fail to come in, or it may not be properly displayed. iCMTGIS 3 and iCMTGIS Pro provide the ability to export and import feature data in various other data formats. You can export and import data in these formats in much the same way as for the shapefiles. Following are a few points to note. Excel file. Data will be exported in the working coordinate system. The distances and angles will be exported in the active distance and angle units. You could export data to an Excel file, and then open that file by using the Excel software, or the OpenOffice software, to see how the data is organized in the various sheets. To import feature data from an Excel file into the app, the featured data must be properly formatted in the same way. Select the proper datum, coordinate system, and distance unit to import the Excel file. DXF files. To export the attributes of the features to the DXF file, then mark the checkbox for, in block, and then mark the checkbox for with attribute. The app will create a DXF layer for each topic marked for export. To export the selected topics to the same layer, mark the Export to one layer checkbox, and enter the name of that layer in the layer name box. When importing a DXF file, select the datum, coordinate system, and distance unit, in which the data was saved in the DXF file. If the DXF file was generated from an older version of AutoCAD, you will need to create a local and easy system to use for importing the DXF file. KML files. The featured data will be exported using the WGS84 datum and the LLA coordinate system. If you wish to also export the attributes of the features to the KML file, then mark the checkbox for with attributes. The app expects the data in the imported KML file to be based on the WGS84 datum and the LLA coordinate system. GPX files. The featured data will be exported using the WGS84 datum and the LLA coordinate system. The attributes of the features will not be exported to the GPX file. The app expects the data in the imported GPX file to be based on the WGS84 datum and the LLA coordinate system. To export the job data to a PDF file, tap the main menu icon, select Job, and then select Export, Export to PDF. You may accept the displayed default name for the PDF output file, or you may overwrite it with the name you wish to assign to the PDF file. If you wish to overwrite an existing PDF file, then select that file from the displayed list. Beware that doing so will erase all the existing contents of the selected PDF file. In the following screen, select the topic layers you wish to export. If you don't want to see the list of coordinates, then don't mark the checkbox for Display the coordinates table in the PDF. Tap the OK button to complete the export. The contents of the PDF file will be displayed. The first page will show the drawing of the features, as they are displayed in mapped view. The additional pages will show the boundary coordinates, and areas of the area features, as well as the coordinates of the point features, or the starting and ending nodes of the line features. If you wish to view an existing PDF file, then tap on the View File checkbox, and then select the desired file name. And then, tap the View button to display the contents of the PDF file. The View File function is also useful for viewing any other PDF documents that you have placed in the Documents folder of your app. If you have a document or cheat sheet that you would like to refer to while working in the field, it is a good idea to save a copy of the file in the Documents folder of your app. We will talk about the Documents folder in the next video.
How do I get a hard copy of the PDF file?
If you have an AirPrint printer, you may tap the printer icon, then confirm to print the contents of the PDF to that printer. Otherwise, you can transfer the PDF file to your desktop computer, and then use an applicable program to print it out. We will talk about file transfer later.